to show you something quickly, because this for me I sadly find quite satisfying. Thought you might like to see it as well. It's just removing this tape into this line and just seeing how perfect it is every time. With the darker colours it's a lot more distinctive, obviously. I mean, this is a relatively neutral pinky colour, but I mean, look at that. No brush control at all done with tapes. Even just putting the emulsion onto the top of the woodwork to start with, as I've covered with some other videos. I'm just trying to be careful here because I kind of need two hands for this. I've got camera in one hand, obviously the tape in the other. Hey, look at that, all the way over. I'm going to stop it there now because I don't want to damage anything that I've done, and I'll do some more on the darker colours.